Diman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss how to make a Tesla coil at home. So this is also known as wireless power transfer. So suppose we are with a LED bulb. So suppose if we glow it without any contact, it will be a magic. Wow, completely magic. But it not actually happen. There is a circuit behind it. It's known as Tesla coil. So let's make it. For that purpose, we need a PVC pipe 2 centimeter wide, 9 centimeter long. So we will mark it at 9 centimeter. Then we will cut it by some area. Then we will make it sharp by using rigging it. Then we will mark 2 points, one at one end, the second on another end. We will make it drill so that we can make connection of our wire. We will need a 288 WG copper wire. One end of this wire will glue it to make the one end of our primary winding. Then we will wind over this PVC pipe of our copper wire, that is 28 AWG, till the end. And the end of this we will cut it through some skewer. Then we will cut it and make the second end of our primary coil. Then again we will glue it to fix at this end. Then we will make again glue and put this on our board. So now we are with two and one primary winding have 2 and 1 and second. We need a transistor, that is 2A 4 times 2A transistor, 3 terminal transistor. We basically know this. Ammeter, collector, base, 3 terminals are there. So we will fix it with a glue on our board. Now we'll make our connection. Before that, we will enamel our copper wires to make it like we will remove the copper from that wire. We need a transistor 2.2 kilo ohm. Then one end of this transistor, because as per this circuit, connected to the one end of our primary winding. Then we will solder it. Then this combined end is connected with base of the our transistor. Then next we need a wire, copper wire. Basically we will spiral it over a PVC wire and will make it a spiral, and it will become the secondary of our Tesla coil. So we'll put around it. So now we have the secondary winding with 2 terminals. Now we'll make connection. The one end of this secondary winding is connected to the collector of our transistor, and we will solder it. We need a switch, on off switch. Basically we will glue it and fix on our board. Then we will make connection. Transistor one end is connected with the switch positive terminal, and the secondary of our winding is connected with our switch. We will solder it. We need a battery connector, 9-volt battery connector, positive that will connect to one switch, and the second of this wire is connected. Then we need a battery of 9 volt. This 9 volt is fixed on board. We will make we'll give a traction to our Tesla coil. We need a wrap paper and we need a plastic ball for that. So we will wound this wrap paper over it, around it. Then we will cut it to give it shape. Then we will put our one end of our Tesla coil with some tape on it, and we'll glue it to fix it. So it will give more attractive design to our Tesla coil. Then finally, this is our Tesla coil be ready for work purpose. Then we need a LED bulb of like 5 watt, 9 watt as per our requirement. We will on our Tesla coil, we'll keep it for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, then we will move around our LED bulb around it, and so now you can see the magic. Without any contact we can glow our LED. So this is the magic of our Tesla coil. Without contact we can glow our LED. So this is all about our Tesla coil. We can make a LED glow without any contact. Thank you very much. This is our Tesla coil. Stay tuned with us, and like, subscribe our channel for more update on technical for videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.